Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Alma's Beauty. My name is Alma. If you're new, welcome and subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and let's get started. Welcome to another makeup video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And yeah, today I wanted to create a look like a nighttime date night. So I haven't done this look in a really long time. So let's do it. I'm drinking my coffee today and I have hazelnut creamer in here, dairy free. Okay, so I already moisturized my face by using this La Roche-Posay moisturizer. And next, I'm going to get my Fix Plus spray by MAC. And you know the drill. This is what I do. And today I'm going to be using this foundation, the MAC Studio Fix SPF 15. Now, I have a love and hate with this foundation. It's thick and I feel like on my face it just emphasizes all my pores and like stuff like that. But I like to give it a shot. I like to give it a chance. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to use a softer brush. This one is the Complexion Duo by e.l.f. Okay. So I'm going to pick some up with my brush and put it on my face. Okay. I lowered my light a little bit. Okay. Is this thing on? Okay. Yes, it is on. I lowered my light a little bit, hoping that you guys can see in detail like all what I'm talking about. I like this foundation. I have my moments with it. I think on a really hot day, my pores and everything is just gonna look very cakey. That's what it feels like on my end. I have oily to combination skin. Um, the foundation itself does feel a bit heavy and on a little bit of a heavy side, but I like it. I mean, I still use it. You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camel Concealer. This one right here. Okay, and I'm gonna dab it on my lid, on my nose a little bit, on my inner corners and stuff. Sorry, I'm blind and I'm trying to see what I'm doing in the mirror. Just a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Real Techniques brush to spread out my concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up my Laura Mercier brightening under eye powder thingy, and I'm gonna set my lids and I'm gonna set my under eyes. Okay, so I set my lids and my under eyes, and I am looking at my skin with the foundation, and I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna powder it anymore. I feel like it looks good like that. Um, so I just noticed that there's times where I upload the video and once it's on YouTube, I see that it looks super bright. So I'm trying to work with my lighting here. So bear with me, people. Okay, so now I'm going to be using today the MAC. I'm going to use these. I know I brought out my MAC products today. I'm going to use these two. You'll see how I'm going to incorporate both of them into this eye look. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna pick up this black. It's like a really dark black. It's the Carbon. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little fluffy, flattish brush right here. I'm gonna pick up that dark color and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. What you can also do to make this look last all night or all day is put black eyeliner all on the lid. But I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm good with just the powder itself, the eye shadow, I'm sorry. So I'm going to cover the entire lid with this. I know it's going to look kind of scary. So remember how I have hooded eyes? I made sure I went above the hooded area. You see, slightly above. So to get that right, just look straight ahead with your eyes open, like almost wide open, and make sure that it's peeking through the, you know, through the hoods. Okay, so see what I did here? I'm flicking the outer corner, which you don't really need to, but I'm just doing it because I want the eyes out, like a cat eye kind of. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this palette right here. This is called the Flamboyant one. And reason why I'm picking this one up is because I'm gonna use one of these brown colors. Let me see how this one, I need to swatch them. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. Okay, so the color that I'm gonna pick out is called Embark. This one right here, okay? It's the darker color, darker brown in the palette. And I'm gonna pick up enough to place that right about there, like on top of the black, like on borderline right here. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So I ended up going in with this lighter brown. It's like a true brown. This one was too dark. That's why my eyes look a little intense. That one is called Dollywood. That's the one I ended up going on top. So I'm still gonna blend it down. I'm gonna get that black from this other palette. The palette is called Art Library. It's designer. I'm gonna get the black one from here again. Okay, and I'm gonna go in under the eye. So whatever I did on the top, I'm gonna do to the bottom. Make sure I'm like position here. So I'm just gonna line up the bottom of my eye. This is like a little pencil brush. And then I'm gonna go in with that brown that I just showed you guys, and I'm gonna just blend it in with that black. And of course, we can clean that up when we're done blending these colors down. Okay, so this is what I have so far, and I'm gonna go in with the Falsy Surreal Mascara by Maybelline. Okay, I'm gonna use that on my lashes. Okay, so I got the Urban Decay 24-hour black liner. It's called Zero. I used that for my waterline. Dude, I realized in the beginning of the video I didn't have one earring. I'm like, what am I doing? Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna do blush, and I'll be right back, and we'll do lipstick together. Okay, ladies and gents, and here comes the grand finale of this video. I went on TikTok shop or whatever. I've been following this person for a while, been looking at her lip glosses and things, and I fell in love. So I finally got one, and I haven't even tried it. It's called Queen Cosmetics. This lip gloss is electric. I'm sure you guys have seen it being reviewed by some of the like really big influencers and stuff, like makeup. So I decided to buy this one. Like I said, it's called Electric, and I can't wait to use it. I just couldn't wait any longer. I've had this sitting on my desk for 2 weeks, And I feel like this look goes really, really well with this because it's like a late night, date night, concert eye look. And I feel like either this one, and then I had this one in mind too. It's called Golden. It's the vinyl ink by Maybelline, the color stay, the super stay. So you could either do the nude lipstick and then put this on top. Of course, you can layer it up, but I'm gonna try it by itself. Whatever lip oil I had earlier kind of went away. Okay, so I don't have anything on my lips right now, and I'm so excited to finally use this. It says hemp infused gloss, made in the USA by Queen Cosmetics. And I looked up her, man, I've been following her on TikTok and I really fell in love with this. Haven't even tried it, and I already want to buy more. So here it goes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Let me do another layer. Sorry, I can't see, so I'm trying to look at the mirror here. Let me get a little compact. Let me do another layer, okay? I'm gonna go back in. I really like how opaque it can get. Like, I feel like my lips would look better if I would have put a color on them. But if it's a concert that I'm going to right now, I would definitely not care if my lips look kind of grayish or glittery. But this is the way, oh my God, I really love the way it looks. For a concert look, this is awesome. I love this dope ass glitter. Look at that dope glitter lip gloss. It's so beautiful. Perfect, perfect for a concert. Oh my goodness, look at my hand full of swatches. Just wanted to make sure I got this look right. In the beginning, I was kind of worried because I'm like, oh my God, I went over the top. But yes, I pretty much did the lighter brown on top of the black eyeshadow. And then I made sure I blended a lot. I did clean this up with the concealer. Okay, there it is, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys like this makeup look. I really enjoyed creating it. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you to everybody that has been watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends and fam. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. It's kind of weird, but I like it.